vital fight against oppression, against fascism, and have maintained it so courageously in fair weather and foul on this corner for 203 days. Why is Camp Ashraf so important historically and legally? It is important because it is the remaining symbol of those poor prisoners who were massacred in their thousands in 1988, brutally, barbarically, by mullahs without mercy. That massacre stands as one of the worst single human rights barbarities of the 20th century. It stands alongside those completely powerless prisoners were taken, denied a trial, and hung in their thousands because, for no other reason, that they were loyal and courageous enough to evince their support for the Mujahideen, although they knew it would mean their death. And here we are at the United Nations, the symbol of hope, the symbol of rule of international law, the guarantor that human rights atrocities will be punished. We are here today to demand the protection for the refugees at Camp Ashraf that they deserve. We are here to demand that the United Nations and the force of international law protect them from the savagery being threatened by al-Maliki, who has ordered the attacks on the camp in 2009 and 2011. Al-Maliki, the cat's paw for the state of Iran, which has so much to answer for. So we are here to call upon the United Nations Human Rights Commission and most particularly the United Nations Refugee Commission, whose duty it is to arrange for the protection of these refugees. The residents of Ashraf must be protected. The United Nations and the well-intentioned nations of Europe, the EU, must act urgently to prevent a human rights atrocity. I salute your protest, and I am sure that you have the support of all well-intentioned human rights supporters throughout the world.
خبرگزاری سوئیس ژنو تحت عنوان مانع‌تراشی بغداد گزارش داد هواداران مجاهدین در میدان ناسیون ژنو از 200 روز پیش برای تضمین حفاظت کمپ اشرف در شمال شرقی بغداد تحصن کردند. کمیساریای عالی پناهندگان ملل متحد در 13 سپتامبر اعلام کرده است که ساکنان اشرف را به عنوان متقاضیان پناهندگی به رسمیت می‌شناسد، ولی به خاطر مانع‌تراشی و اخلالی که دولت عراق ایجاد می‌کند هیچ گونه اقدام ملموسی تاکنون اتخاذ نشده است. شورای ملی مقاومت ایران میگوید دولت بغداد زیر فشار حکومت تهران در صدد وقت کشی است. هواداران اشرف درخواست کردند ضرب العجل دولت عراق در مورد این کمپ به تعویق بیفتد. آنها به کمیساریای عالی پناهندگان، سازمان ملل متحد، ایالات متحده و اتحادیه اروپا فراخوان دادند که همه موانع را از سر راه بردارند تا هرچه زودتر پروسه کار کمیساریای عالی پناهندگان به منظور تأکید بر استاتوی پناهندگی ساکنان کمپ آغاز شود. آنها از سازمان‌های بین‌المللی، آمریکا و اتحادیه اروپا خواستار آن هستند که یک اکیپ ناظران دائمی ملل متحد در اشرف را مستقر کنند تا از حقوق اشرفیان حفاظت شود.